In writing an album, creating an album, kita that it challenging part the a process.
Was it the name? Oh wow.
The name. Wow, it's the making the music comes easy at this point.
Yeah.
It's not a brag. It's not a brag. I'm not that dude tampoco. But at this point in my career, me por casi segura que se me dentro studio 80%.
Algo tá salvo.
80%. Algo sowieso al salvo 80% ko it's gonna be
Tá bom,
somewhat of a
sim.
banger. It's gonna be somewhat of a banger. That was not it. It was more juist a focus que nós tem agora aqui van how do we market this? That was also the thing, the name and the marketing. Di kung paso awak na sige na punta kami nós para ko everyone's pretty much doing casi the same thing. Botan yung teaser, botan yung it's gonna come out now video, depois say bupay man importante video di mané cantando cantica. It's out, was out and then after that, there's nós também dinge antiano scene, there's no one really